Hello everyone. In this video I just want to tell over here that the exam which I have given, the questions present in the exam were present in my notes in the similar or in the altered form, or somewhere I have read them in the books. Like this question was like nausea and vomiting before, during and after menstruation. This line is given in the Allen's keynote and answer was natural milk. This question I have also read somewhere, straightening out the limb during rest from previous exercise. Answer was valeriana. And this question, which of the following statement is false? The answer was B. The platina is not indicated in obstinate constipation after nux vomica has failed. And this I have written constipation when nux vomica fails platina. So this was already present in my notes and my answer was correct for this question. This was a common question we have studied in various simple books too. Piercing of the earlobe and not healing. The answer was Stanomet. This question, this is a clinical type of question, and the answer was paroxysm fever associated with the patient wants covering in chill heat stage also remain covered in heat stage. The answer was nux vomica. This is also written in Allen's keynote. The same I have already shown you one day by making a video that the person is having urticaria and then afterwards he suffers from the croup cough. The answer was arsenic album. I have already shown you. This was written in my notes. Probably I will find out over yes over here. That attacks like croup instead of usual urticaria. Answer was arsenic album. This is a very common question. We have already we have studied. Answer is vascular, and this is also written in my notes. It was written already. See over here, the question was asked about the nephrotic syndrome, which is false. So this was my notes at that time. Proteinuria more than 3 grams, hypoalbuminemia, edema, hyperlipidemia, lipiduria, hypercoagulability, and changes in the cells of the kidneys. So this all was present over here. There is not written about the change in the osmotic pressure. As we know that when there is sodium retention, there will be edema. That is the symptom of the nephrotic syndrome. Hypertension, we have already studied that there is hyperlipidemia, so there will be hypertension. And I have shown you that more than 3 grams of more than 3 grams of proteinuria. So this was written in my notes and the option left was only B. So my answer was correct for this one. See friends, over here the question was about winging of scapula, and this was already written in my notes about the winging of scapula due to stratus anterior. So this was my refined. This question, it was also I have studied somewhere in the notes or written also. The absorption of various ions. This question was very common. Mostly the answer was given by type 1 alveolar epithelium, which is also correct somewhere, but answer was given type 2. This is so common and we have found in every books this question. So in this question, that a neonate presents with colicky pains and vomiting with sausage shaped lump in the abdomen is suffering from. Answer was intussusception, and these were my notes about that. And see over here it is written sausage shaped lump towards. So my answer was correct for this too. And one of the questions related to the lochia is the correct order during purpurium. I have noted down this for a question and it was written in my notes already. And one of the questions, that diseases transmitted by lice is epidemic, typhus, relapsing fever, and trench fever. This was also I have already noted down before the examination differently, like they are spread by or transmitted by these days. So it was already in my notes. And next question, MMR, it is given in the both or at any age is also correct. See friends, this was the question, reservoir of infection of plague, and the answer was mice, and it was, I have already written in my notes, that by the wild rodents. I have already studied these things. And this question, like measles is caused by myxovirus. The answer was paramyxovirus. I think I have picked the incorrect option at that time. Let me show you. I have write down, but I forgot the answer at that time. This one. No hair. Paramyxovirus. I have already written this, but I forgot at that time. Global sizes was a common question. Rest for all the homeopathic, like this question was from the Allen keynote. This was again from the Allen keynote, you can say. And this was, I have also written in my notes. I was already having this question. So these were the few examples which I just want to tell you that questions were already I have studied, which were present in my notes. That's why I was able to choose the correct answer at that time. So I just want to say that my notes are very valuable for the preparation if you want them. I have already made out the video about the price too. Thank you so much.